Hey there, welcome to Trusted Web e-Services. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and analyze your traffic sources in Google Analytics 4. Whether you're tracking where your users are coming from or optimizing your marketing strategies, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Analytics 4 account and navigate to the Report section from the menu on the left-hand side. Under the Acquisition tab, click on Traffic Acquisition. This report is where you'll find insights into how visitors are reaching your website. In the Traffic Acquisition report, you can customize your view. Change the default dimension by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting Session Default Channel Grouping. This helps you categorize traffic sources like organic, paid, or social. Now, let's dig a little deeper. Click the plus sign next to Session Default Channel Grouping to add a secondary dimension. In the secondary dimension options, search for Session Source Medium or find it under the Traffic Source tab. Select it to add more detailed information about your traffic sources. And that's it. Now you can see detailed traffic source data, including the channel grouping and source medium for each visitor session. This helps you understand exactly where your website traffic is coming from. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web e-Services for more actionable tutorials.